Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install any Everycom thermal printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. There are two type of options for the Everycom printers. First is the Bluetooth option. You can connect by the Bluetooth or by the USB cable, and we are going to install that drivers. Okay, so that is very easy and simple for us. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in add a printer or scanner, click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen, and new options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. In add a printer, go to this option. If you want to connect to the Bluetooth, then select this option, add a Bluetooth or wireless Wi-Fi connection. I want to use a USB cable, so I select this, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. I select this option. You can select this option also if you're using Bluetooth or wireless. I go with the add a local printer and click on the next. Here we find existing printer port. In an existing port, click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Here we find manufacturer. In a manufacturer, select generic. Find generic. Select generic. In a printers, find generic text only. Find generic text only. Select that and click on the next. Here we find our printer name. Type any printer name that you like. Type your printer name or any printer name that you like. I type Everycom, and you can type any printer name and click on the next. It's installing our printer. Here we find our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option, and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name, then that means your printer is properly installed. And if you want to change your paper size and other things, then click here and go to the printer properties. In a printer properties, there are many options to change it. First option is device settings. Go to the device settings. You can change from here and click on apply, and also go to the generic. Go to the generic, and here you find print preferences. Click on the preferences. In a preferences, you can change the orientation, portrait or the landscape depending on you, or go to the here advanced and change paper size from here. Also change any paper size that you want, or go to the paper size that you want or default paper size of your printer. Okay, after that click on okay, and that's all. Your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 11 or any other Windows operating system, PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.